how I got this cute curly wig installed. I got this wig from a sister's hair, I think. A sister wig hair. And girl, this is in a 16-inch, and it's some straight hair. And this hair, oh, it's so good, y'all. It's so good. Like, it's so soft. But yeah, I love this hair. And this is a this is some Swiss lace. This is a Swiss lace, so you know how like it be like HD lace, transparent lace, and all that. But this is a Swiss lace. I'm finna be comparing 3 laces for y'all: a medium brown lace, and a transparent lace, and a Swiss lace. This is the medium brown regular lace. I'm just gonna be spraying some water on it so y'all can see how it just like melt into the skin. As y'all can see, this lace is not too bad, but for some people of a lighter color, it could be, just because it's regular medium brown lace. This lace right here is the transparent lace. As you can see, without the water, it's very much like white. Moving on to the Swiss lace. As you can see, this lace is very much thin. I don't know about y'all, but I can really tell the difference between these laces. This lace right here, these knots are smaller and it's super thin. If anything, I would pick the Swiss lace over the transparent and the medium brown lace, just because it blends better. But enough of me rambling. Let's get right into this install. Hey y'all, so before I installed this wig, I went ahead and bleached the knots and plucked it. What y'all need to know with plucking this wig, you have to be very careful because the lace is Swiss and it's very thin and delicate, so you have to be careful. But yeah, all I'm doing right here is just applying thin layers of glue onto my forehead. I did about 2 or 3 layers. After I'm done applying the glue, I just go in and blow dry. Next, I adjust the wig to my head and cut off the earlobes and just like get all the extra lace off. Right here, I'm just applying the wig to the glue and getting it on my forehead. Next, I put is this little elastic band around my forehead. It's just to give me that more melted look, you know, scalp. After that, I just cut the lace from around the strap. After I cut the lace, I take this styling foam by Key just to like flatten my hair with the hot comb. Right here, I'm just taking my tweezers just to clean up my part a little bit. After you take your band off and it still don't look like really melted, like if it have that little white outcast, just take some got2b glue spray or a little bit of like foundation or concealer and just pat it around the perimeter of your head. It's just going to take that white cast away. Next, I'm finna do my baby hairs. I really can't do my baby hairs on camera for real. So if y'all want a more in-depth tutorial, I'm gonna have to do a separate one on just my baby hairs. Nothing else, just my baby hairs. Because that's how freaking serious it is. Right here, I'm just gonna go in and curl my hair. I already have a video up on how I curl my hair with a flat iron. Just go look down my page, or I'll put it up in the description down below. I'm just cutting a little bit of hair off in the front so I can get that little feathered look. I curled the other side off camera because I know y'all don't want to sit through that long process. But yeah, this how it look after I done curled it all up. I'm finna take a wide tooth comb and just separate the curls. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And go follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, see you in my next video.